Quick stop to have dinner. Extra dinner. Hey Johnny, you like it?
So we got 3/4 pounders.
What did we get? Not bad. Hey guys, so we're just here at Pack and Save. We're gonna go and get what we need and see how much it's gonna cost us. Fingers crossed. Ooh.
Leon, this way, look. Leo, that's what you're having for dinner. You're having broccoli, cauliflower.
Mom, how much dollars always losing?
Hey guys, we're back from Pack and Save, and this is pretty much everything we got. And I'll show you the cost in the end. But we'll start from this side. So we got Nutrigrain and cornflakes. I'll show the receipt in the end so that you can see the prices. And we got 2 loaves of bread for the kids' lunches. And then we got the butter because we're running out. And then we got some steak and cheese pies, 20 value snack packs. We've got burger rings, twisties, and rations. And then we got these mini biscuits. We got 3 of those. And then corn chips. This one here. It's really yum. Good for the kids. The kids love this. So we just get this for their lunches. And then we've got yogurts, toilet papers, some paper towels. And then we got some broccoli, a whole cabbage. We got some cheese, pumpkin, bag of apples, a baby salad bag, some mushrooms, and then we got 2 cans of peaches for dessert. We got toothpaste, and then we got the pork shoulder chops. We got 2, and we got mince. We got 2 of those. And then we've got the spaghetti bolognese sachet. And then we got whole chicken, so 2 of those. We got some chicken wings. And we got soap, Protex, and Best Food mayo. And then just 2 cans of the Musahi Shane absolutely loves. And then we got the ice cream, Tip Top, and some eggs. And then we got chicken hearts. We got 3 of them. And then some hot dog sausages, noodles, 10 packs. And then I think I forgot about this one here. And then the fruit flavored jelly. Just 2 of those. And then we got flour and tuna, onions, and milk. I think that's pretty much. Oh, sorry. And then we got the drinks here and water. I'll show you guys. You can just take a screenshot while I work my way down.
One thing about it, we got the New Zealand design.
And that's the total. $347.02. All right, there you have it, guys. That's what $347 gets you here in New Zealand, and for a big family, like my family, that's nowhere near enough what we got anyhow. So we always leave some money aside for the weekend, any other stuff that we might need to buy, for example, like milk and other stuff. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Tō whāsai fua, bye.